Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a nice warm October day. Today it's Sunday. Just want to show you these. These have been left for probably 7 to 9 days without water. Just want to show you not to panic, and all you need to do is give them a really good soak. So I'm going to water these and then I'm going to set it on time lapse and just show you how they come back to life, even though you might think they've had it. Yes, I should just leave that in the top there, like so. As you can see, the water comes down one side and it goes to the other side as well. So as long as you've got plenty of water going in through the top there, that should water and feed all the rest of your buckets on these vertical planters. So yeah, I should just set this up. Hopefully over the next hour or so, fingers crossed, they should come back to life. Just to show you that no need to panic if you get to water them. Once they're well established, most plants will recover. Yeah, well, this has been about an hour since I watered it. As you can see, it's starting to perk up a little bit now. By tomorrow, these should have all filled out nicely. As you can see, some of these flowers are starting to come back. These leaves are starting to plump up, which is great. Shows they're not actually dead. So yeah, if you think everything's gone too far and they're going to be chucking out, I always suggest give them a good soak, give them a good spray, make sure all the compost is really wet, and then leave them probably a day or so, a couple of days, just to see what is actually dead and what you can actually save. Because what I'm going to be doing with these is I'm going to be taking them apart from the top there and then pulling each pot out, pruning them back, because you can see a lot of new growth in there. Don't you can see that there? Oh, that's good. I'll prune all these back, try and take some cuttings, and then these will go in the greenhouse over winter, and they should be nice and gorgeous for next year. And then all I have to do then is just reinsert my wooden pole in there and put it all back together for next year. So yeah, we're looking forward to keeping this. So yeah, that's my vertical planter. How to water your pots when they're really dry. Right, this has been 24 hours roughly since I revived these plants, give them a good water yesterday and a feed. They've not been watered for 7 to 9 days and they were looking really bad. As you can see, the leaves have pumped back up, the ones that have managed to survive. There's some dead stuff here, as you can see, in there. Just about there. Take all these off, all the dead leaves. And then I'll go around and prune all these. I've also got some seeds that I'm going to collect. First year I've actually collected any petunia seeds, so that'll be nice to grow them. But yeah, you can see just here where everything just plumped up and come back. I'm really surprised how well everything looks now. These looking nice. Can't believe it's like October, mid-October. Won't go to the first frost, and I'll be taking all this to pieces then. Well, next couple of days I'm going to cut them from the top there, pull the pole out, and then put each one of these tubs in my greenhouse, cut them back, take some cutting, and overwinter them in there. That's what I'll be doing with these as well. My begonias. These are my show begonias. There. These are my hanging basket ones. They're really nice. So yeah, that's 24 hours. I'm leaving it to dry, and I think everything's actually survived, which I'm really pleased with. Nice train lobelia, petunias, of begonias. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.